Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to turn off auto in FIFA Mobile. So in order to do that, open your FIFA Mobile game on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. One of the features of FIFA Mobile is the auto mode, which lets the game control your players' actions for you. However, some players might prefer to have more control over their players and turn off the auto mode. To turn off auto mode on FIFA Mobile, first, go and tap on the settings menu at the top right hand corner from the main home page. Once you do that, you'll be able to see several options in the pop-up. Click on the pencil icon right next to Preferences, Gameplay Control, and in the Preferences tab, toggle off the button right next to Auto Pass and Shoot. Now scroll down and you can also turn off the Player Auto Switch option. Simply toggle off the button right next to Player Auto Switch, and then that way this will disable the auto mode for all the matches until you turn it on again. That is how you can easily turn off auto in FIFA Mobile. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.